Hey everyone, welcome back to the Creative Book Club, where we read 2 books a month and we will journal about the book first, trying to guess what it's going to be about, and then we'll do a craft about the book after we have read it. So, this is book 9. So, this is First Lie Wins, which is a novel by Ashley Elston, and I'm going to read the inside flap for you, telling a little bit about the book, and you can watch me journal here, and then feel free to journal however you want. You don't have to follow me. I'm just kind of doing what I think the book is going to be about. So the book says, "The identity comes first." Evie Porter. Once she's given a name and location by her mysterious boss, Mr. Smith, she learns everything there is to know about the town and the people in it. Then the mark, Ryan Sumner. The last piece of the puzzle is the job. Evie isn't privy to Mr. Smith's real identity, but she knows this job isn't like the others. Ryan has gotten under her skin, and she's starting to envision a different sort of life for herself. But Evie can't make any mistakes, especially after what happened last time. Evie Porter must stay one step ahead of her past while making sure there's still a future in front of her. The stakes couldn't be higher, but then, Evie has always liked a challenge. So, it sounds to me like it's going to be some kind of spy mystery thing going on. But I can kind of see like the same person, two different identities. It's basically what I got from that. So I'm going to go ahead and use my acrylic markers there in shades of gray, and then just kind of do two different faces. And then I decided to get a little crafty and creative, and I'm just going to do some little color blocking here in silver and gold. And of course, you can do whatever you choose to do. Most of my journaling has been the covers of the books because it always seems to kind of fit the title, and it's tempting to do the same thing on this one too, but just wanted to try something a little different, and just take some time, and it's all about just being there for yourself and taking time to reflect on the book and just relaxing and just kind of getting creative. So after we read this book, you can come back here. So it'll be in 2 weeks, and then I'll have a craft for the book too. No, it'll be next week. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself here. So we're gonna read book 9, and then tune in next week, and we'll have a craft to do together about the book. And if you do a book club on your own, it's just kind of a suggestion that you could do with your friends, where you guys can discuss the book and just kind of chill and relax and get creative together. So again, this is First Lie Wins, a novel by Ashley Elston, and I can see it's a Reese's book club, which means I think in the back it's going to have some questions for your book club too. But hopefully you'll read it, and I'll see you next week.